If you're a freelancer trying to decide between FreshBooks and Bonsai, you're probably wondering which one is more suitable for your needs. Both platforms have a lot to offer, but in this video, we'll dive into the specifics, weigh the pros and cons of each, and I'll give you my personal recommendation at the end. Stick around, because you might just be surprised by the conclusion. First up, FreshBooks. FreshBooks is well known for its invoicing and accounting features. It's been a go-to for freelancers who need something simple yet powerful. You can create customized invoices, track time, and handle your expenses all in one place. But here's the thing, FreshBooks can feel a bit basic compared to some of the other options out there. Its project management features are limited, so if you're handling multiple clients or need a more detailed workflow, it might not be enough for you. FreshBooks can also be on the pricier side when you scale up, so that's something to keep in mind if you're just starting out. Next, let's talk about Bonsai. Bonsai is a platform designed specifically for freelancers and agencies, with a major focus on contracts and proposals. One of its best features is the ability to create professional contracts that are easy to customize. Bonsai also has time tracking and invoicing features, but they aren't as robust as FreshBooks. The real difference is in the project management side. Bonsai offers more detailed workflows, client portals, and can even track the entire lifecycle of a project from start to finish. However, while it's great for freelancers who deal with complex projects, it can also feel a bit overwhelming if all you need is simple invoicing and expense tracking. The third thing to consider is the user experience. FreshBooks is often praised for its intuitive interface. It's easy to set up, and you can get started right away. However, if you're someone who enjoys having everything laid out in front of you, Bonsai's interface might be a little more structured but less intuitive. For beginners, FreshBooks is probably the better choice, but if you're an experienced freelancer looking for an all-in-one platform to manage contracts, invoices, and project progress, Bonsai could be your go-to. Now, what about pricing? FreshBooks offers multiple pricing tiers, starting with a basic plan that gives you the essentials. However, as your needs grow, you might find yourself paying a lot more for additional features, especially as your client base expands. Bonsai's pricing starts a little higher, but it includes features that FreshBooks doesn't, such as automatic contract generation and client intake forms. So, in terms of value, it really depends on what you're after. If you just need invoicing and time tracking, FreshBooks could be more cost-effective. If you need contracts and project management, Bonsai might be a better deal. Now, the fourth thing, customer support. Both platforms offer customer support, but FreshBooks tends to have better reviews for its responsive team and multiple contact options, including phone support. Bonsai, on the other hand, is mostly email-based and sometimes slower to respond. If you value quick resolutions, FreshBooks might be the safer bet. So which one is more suitable for freelancers? It really depends on your needs. FreshBooks is perfect if you're looking for a simple, straightforward accounting tool with basic project management. Bonsai, on the other hand, shines for freelancers who need to handle more complex projects, especially with contracts and proposals. But after trying both myself, I've got a better alternative to recommend. The software I've been using and personally recommend, which is better suited for freelancers aiming for a smooth, all-in-one experience, is linked in the description. Through this link, you'll get the best free trial and exclusive benefits that are only available to my viewers. It's worth checking out if you want a better solution for managing your freelancing business without the hassle of switching platforms as you grow. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the link in the description for the best offer available.